They already did the sidewalks, the street going up. So now they are doing my area. They put lagayan ng tae dito. You see it? Ito pala mga tao yung lote natin. Hindi ito. So mga tao, after long waiting, finally they sent me this green envelope in here. You see how big it is? Everything I worked so hard for is inside this envelope. I paid this lot and it's not yet finished. So this is the lock. You see the lock? Ooh! See, makapal. So this is Ayala property mga tao. And this is not sponsored. I work hard for it. So that's how you lock it again, you see? You lock it like that. So as I went there a few months ago mga tao and it was still raw land, I wanted to go there today to check the update and see what's new. Pag somebody put the road, the sidewalk already. So that's why I want to go there today and check it out mga tao and bring you with me to see ano itsura ng lote ko today. Baka sa turnover wala na budget to build the house. These are the boys here, Maui Boy, Maki Boy, Milky Boy. Subscribe to their channel mga tao. The boys, Cat Vlog. See them? They are here. So mga tao, we're just loading the card kasi hindi ko sigurado if I have enough load for the road. Ha?
Malaki pa.
642. 642? Balance? Laki. Annie doesn't know where we're going.
Oo, sa bahay, sa Laguna.
Oh, I have big balance, huh? That's where I live. There, in the bundok. Yeah, I live on top of the mountain. Diba, you like tanim-tanim, Ani? Sibuyas all day.
Gusto mo yan.
Wala na ganito sa sa Manila.
Wala na.
Oo. Do you see the entrance to my village, Ani? Like a jungle. Like you are in heaven already.
Ganda talaga dito.
Smoke inihaw in the bundok. Sa taas.
Meron na rin mga bahay, sir.
Oo, there is. Kasi merong budget.
20 million.
Oh, see? Do you see? It's just a simple house. So,
Ano mga bahay niya? Grabe.
sobra ganda dito mga tao, hindi joke. We're gonna eat lunch here. Diba maganda dito, Ani?
Ang ganda, sir.
Ano yung pinakamaganda dito?
Sobra.
Oo, right? Kailan maging malaki yung kalachuchi natin? Ilang taon para maging ganito? Grabe, we're watering it every day and it's not growing. Huh? Yeah, how many years we are watering this? Diba? The red one? What do you call it? This one, the red.
Hindi ko alam kung anong bulaklak yun.
I know what Annie will say. Ano tawag ito? Come on, Annie, try to smell it this. Mabaong. Oo, pero pag may tae sa floor, tapos dito, hindi siya mabaho. Mabango.
Ang ganda.
Why our bamboo is yellow? So we just came here, mga tao. We're gonna have lunch in this amazing view in here, so beautiful. Anito is she's waiting for the birds. Dito, Annie, there's fish there. There's fish. Is that? After we eat, yeah, later on, we're gonna walk there. I'll show you the fish. There's like a fish pond here. You're gonna look. Tapos you'll play golf later on. So we just ordered food mga tao. And then we're waiting for our order. Marami tao dito. You see, everywhere. The good thing is our table is facing the golf course in here. You see Anito? She's here. Waiting for the food to be served. Sobra gutom siya. Kanina antok sa kotse kasi hantay yung pagkain. So yeah, she enjoyed here kasi she likes the place in here. Diba you're used to the Ani? To the province dati. Sa probinsya, maganda, diba? Oo, sana yun. Pareho, kasi may Kalachuchi. Tapos there is the golf course. Marami tao, they are playing. Diba? Do you know how to play golf? Later we'll play. You see? So very, very beautiful. The restaurant in here is big, so marami tao, a lot of people eating lunch. We ordered a lot of food, soup, sandwiches, rice, different things. Kasi sobra gutom ako. Yesterday I didn't eat dinner, and today I didn't eat breakfast. That's why I'm gonna be so hungry later. This is the view near. Sobra ganda mga tao. So beautiful. And later I'll show you there's like a fish pond in there. On this side, we're gonna go there. I'll bring Anito there. Later, you want to see the fish, Annie? That there is tilapia there. Huh? We're gonna luto. You see? So there are people playing despite of sobra mainit, but there are people still playing. So this is our food in here, mga tao. I ordered burger, chicken Caesar salad. I don't know what's this. Ano ito, Annie?
Halang-halang, sir.
Halang-halang? What's that? First time I hear of that. Spicy something. This stir-fried seafood. And then we have sauce in here. You see? We have rice, we have bread. You see? Different kinds of food. Sobra masarap. Tapos the sauce in here. If you want sauce, you can get sauce. Let's start mga tao kasi sobra gutom ako. Sige. Look. You see my burger? Sige, Annie, start. Oh. Soup is called the pumpkin soup. Looks really delicious. Let's try it. It tastes like more like gatas para hindi siya sabaw. Masarap, Annie? Masarap. Oh. What's the flavor? Langha? Spicy.
Spicy.
Yeah. Spicy. This one is spicy, you see. This one. There's bell pepper, green, red. There's different kinds of stuff. I didn't try the salad yet, later on. What's that? Para tain ng ipon. Sobra ganda dito mga tao. Look at my bag, you see? Pero sobra mainit. That's why we didn't walk yet. I'll be bringing Annie outside here so I can show her around the area. You see? But really beautiful. Despite it's hot, kanina there is sun, but it's raining at the same time. So that's why it's amazing the weather in here. Kahit mainit, it's still ulan. Picture! So Annie, this is here the fish. You saw the fish? Dito. There's fish here. Last time, today hindi ko alam pag dito baka tulog. Oy, my camera. Before you fall, give me. Ikaw, okay lang, pero yung camera. Joke lang. You see? Diba? So beautiful here. This is where we're gonna play golf.
Ayun!
Ah, that's the fish. I told you.
Tilapia!
Tilapia ito? Oh, nice. Hindi tayo gutom pag dito. Hindi tayo gutom. Look, the mountain, dinagat, dugot, what is it called? Bindok. Bondok. Sobra ganda yung bundok. See?
Umuusok pa.
Oo. Kanina paano ulan? It's sobra mainit. There's sun, pero ulan. Paano? Alam mo bakit, Ani? Kasi masyado mataas tayo. Near heaven. Ito yung heaven. Oo. Sa pinakataas yung heaven. So it looks like Switzerland, diba? This is the restaurant where we were eating kanina our lunch. Now I'll go and show Anito our house. Are you ready to see my house? You ready?
Excited!
Okay, let's go. Dito, the clock is working. Hindi siya sira. Dito, may battery siya. This is our Kalachuchi that we're waiting for a long time for it to grow. This big and hindi siya grow. Ano to? Look, para sili. Sili. You know, dahon ng sili. Oo, ito mukha rosemary yung lagay sa beef, mga tao. There's a lot of dahon ng sibuyas, mga tao. You see, sobra laki. This is the same tree. I have this at home. It's called Sahod Yaman, mga tao. You see, they also have it here. So we take for our tree, don't become like that, the one we have.
10 years, sir.
The one I water every day. Woo! Sobra bawis. Kasi sobrang mainit. Look at the view. It's so beautiful because at night you see all the lights there, the houses. Ilaw para Christmas. Look, the basura, pwede lagay dito.
Ang dami na kapitbahay dito sa Labanda.
Oo. So I lost the way already. I don't know how to go. Baka ito yung bahay ko, Ani. Oo, they are building already.
Oh,
Diba?
third floor ang bahay nila.
Ako, ano, fifth floor. 5 floors. Ooh, look at our view, mga tao. This is near my lot.
Wow, ang ganda.
This is near where my lot is. Diba, Ani? Sobrang ganda dito.
Ang ganda.
Yeah. Ito for the tae, Ani, sobrang laki. Para hindi parado. So they are doing the streets. Look, you see? Ito, ano, yung kuya gawin trabaho dito. So this here, mga tao, my lote. Ani, welcome to my house. You see?
I didn't know we got that.
Oh, this is my lot in here. The trees at the back. Tapos, you can see the water there. Sobra ganda, mga tao. So they are building the roads now. Yeah, hanging. So they already did the sidewalks, the street going up. So now they are doing my area. They put lagayan ng tae dito. You see it? Ito pala, mga tao, yung lote natin. Hindi ito. Buti na lang, lagay yung construction workers toilet. Para pag wala ako budget, lagay yung toilet, Ani. Ready na ready. That's our view. You see our view? It's so beautiful. Maybe pag meron tayo pera, pag-ipon tayo sa alikansya, break the alikansya, tapos that's the time we can build the house. Kailangan ipon muna. You see? So they are still building the roads and doing all. Let's go, mga tao. We're gonna burn sunog. The electric here. Wala na kable. Dito siya, sa baba. Diba? I found a new chilling place here, mga tao, in Nuvali. So Anito brought me here kasi she said there's a lot of fish. What is it called, this fish? Koi? Koi fish. Hi, Koi. Pwede kain ito? Oh, I mean we can eat it? It's like tilapia? Look! Sabi ni Kuya, meron dito American na coffee. Sabi ko, sakto, dito ako. Uh-oh. It's raining.
It's sunny, but it's raining.
How? It's sunny but it's raining. How? I don't understand. You see the sun, mga tao? Look at this. This is the sun, but it's raining. That's why it looks so beautiful. The weather is so nice. Yung halo-halo na yung tunaw sa ine. First time to see maliit kutsara pero mahaba. It has milk, ice cream. It tastes so good pero sobra malamig. Masakit ipin. There are some boats and then there's like a fountain here. So beautiful. Look at this. And then there are a lot of fish pero unfortunately we cannot feed the fish today. They said it's only Friday, which is tomorrow. We're gonna head back to Manila, so I think it would take us like siguro 30 minutes. Hi.
It's very friendly.
Yeah. It's a she or a he?
There's no loyalty.
Oh.
There's no such thing as loyalty.
Wala masyado tao, Ani. It's weekday. Diba? Pero bakit magpapagod, Ani? Hindi tayo punta hiking. Para you're driving, ha?
Parang naano ako sa yung sinusunod na napiinit kanina.
Oo. What? Kamatis, Ani. Diba?
Oh, ang dami yun.
Oh, kamatis.
I don't know, sir. Hindi ko rin alam.
Tikman.
Tikman natin.
Baka patay pa kami rason. Back home, mga tao. See, going back home. So we came here in the coffee shop, mga tao. Anito, she went to buy flowers. Sabi niya, sobra mahal. How much? How much did they tell you? 800? Isang bulaklak? 800, one flower. So she changed her mind. She said coffee na lang. Oh, look at Tanya. She's taking selfie. Oh.